Hi, I am Sushandas. I head content and technology at Eduonix. Data science, simply put, is like being a detective. But instead of solving crimes, what you do is solve puzzles using data. Imagine you have a lot of different pieces of information. This can be numbers, this can be words, or this can be images. Data science is all about looking at these pieces of information, understanding them, and putting them together to make decisions. For example, a data scientist might look at a data collected from a store to identify what products people like to buy together. Personalized recommendations from Amazon, Google Maps, or Netflix are all examples of data science. Data science has applications in almost all industries and all aspects of our lives. Remember, data science is all about asking questions and finding answers from the information that is already around us. It is used everywhere, from predicting the weather to recommending movies to making medicines more effective. Here's the best part. You don't need fancy gadgets to start. Grab a notebook and a pen and try to find information in things you are really interested in, like say movies and their release dates, and try to find patterns in them. That is the first step into the exciting world of data science. And if you really want to be a data scientist, come check out the data science program at Eduonix.com. If you like this video and want to watch more, do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. See you next time. Until then, keep upskilling.